Alright, I'm turning Frizzen pivot screws for Chris Laubach's first lock, the first model that he's coming out with. And I already have my stock pulled, so I'm going to go handheld here, and here we go. First we're going to get the blank down to a rough size. Base off the end, a little chamfer, cutting the screw thread size, now a skim pass for the actual shoulder where the Frizzen rides. Come up, take a little bit off, that's where the head's going to be. Now we'll come in and do a 1032 thread. And then we'll put a little shoulder behind the thread so you can't over tighten it. And then use the cutoff tool to kind of shape the round head behind the shoulder there. I can work on my speeds a little bit here. This is super conservative. Now we're going to put the radius on the top of the head. And there it goes. One screw done. Takes almost 2 minutes. Going to have to work on that. But a pile of 50 of them there. And I keep a 10 at a time. I keep separate so I can check measurements and everything. There's the Laubach lock that I'm testing them on, and a Frizzen so I can make sure that the shoulder is at exactly the right spot, so that it doesn't pinch the Frizzen against the lock plate. So that's it. That's all for now.